Why walk if you can fly?
The domestic canary, often simply known as the canary. It is a domesticated form of the wild canary, a small songbird in the finch family. Originating from the Micronesian islands, Madeira and the Canary. According to source, canaries were first bred in captivity in the 17th century, having been brought to Europe by Spanish sailors. This bird became expensive and fashionable to breed in courts of Spanish and English kings. Monks started breeding them and only sold males which sing. This kept the bird in short supply and drove the price up. The one I have here is the red-factor canary and Gloucester canary. The red-factor canary is a popular variety of canary. It is named after its colorful plumage. Lifespan is between 10 to 12 years and price ranges around $60 to $90. Red-factor canaries are prized for their color rather than their song. But they are also very melodious singers and enjoy singing. I also got Gloucester canary. Gloucester canaries are small birds that bred for their shape instead of their colors. The Gloucester is known to have a beautiful song. Their ability to sing and cute-looking crin crest has caused them to become popular in aviculture and the pet trade. His name is Harry. He is sleeping. Isn't he cute? Every day, I let Prince, our red-factor canary, to get out of his cage. He loves to play, mess and fight at times with Harry. It will be healthy for both if they have some activities daily to keep fit. Free them at least few hours every day. This is almost their daily routine. They also enjoy company of people but not so love to be touched. Please thumbs up. Can give them green leafy to add to their diet. Come on, Prince, try it. Look at how Harry behaved here. He started to become aggressive. He seemed agitated. Oh, they're fighting. Harry here is just looking for opportunity to attack Prince. But Prince is determined. Here goes another green. Come on, Prince, finish it before Harry can come up. He love it. Prince loves baby spinach. Oh, please, not Mickey. Good boy. Guys, you could try for yourselves to look after any kinds of pet. You'll surely not regret it. Tell me which ones you've got and how well you love him. Love them. Spend time with them and they will love you back. Thank you for watching.